Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add tags when using your WordPress site. Now I want to add tags. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can do it through your Jetpack or through the WordPress, but I prefer using the Jetpack, which is still working with WordPress. So I click on Jetpack, they work together, and then I click on my WordPress account name. When I say address to the website, then click on blog@wordpress.com because I want to actually use the browser to get to WordPress itself. Alright, here we are. This is the website. Now from here I tap on discover, but before then tap on WordPress icon. Good. Now I tap on discover, which is the glasses here. Tap on discover, or you can call it recent. Then tap on the three lines at the corner and to open up this. So if you tap on the glasses, you have recent, discover, likes, conversation, list, tags. This is tags. So you tap on tags and you can see all the tags I have chosen for my reading. So you can add a new tab by clicking on add. Or for put a tag name first. So let's say book publishing. Book publishing. Let's say I want to use book publishing and then I click on add. And that's it. It has been added. It's as simple as that. That's how to add tag. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.